Hi everyone. Spring is here and summer is right around the corner, and that means that lawnmowers are going to be in full effect. The American Academy of Pediatrics has come up with some recommendations that I'm going to share with you to help prevent these lawnmower injuries. About every year, we have 5,000 children that are injured from lawnmowers. So today I'm going to talk a little bit more on how to decrease that number. First thing that the American Academy of Pediatrics recommends is that if you are under the age of 16, you should not use the ride-on mowers. And if you are under the age of 12, you should not use the push-behind mowers. Second, you should always wear good shoes. So have socks on, a pair of good tennis shoes, so in case debris comes up from when you are mowing the lawn or if you step on something, your feet are protected. The other thing is eye protection. A lot of teenagers will start using goggles or even sunglasses to help any flying debris from when they're mowing the lawn. So good shoes, good eye protection, definitely if you are going to be mowing the lawn. Third, the safest place for children while an adult is mowing the lawn is inside. Children like to play in the yard and run around, and a lot of times we are just not paying attention. So the safest place for children is inside and not as passengers on a ride-along mower. So even though that sounds fun, definitely try not to put a child on a ride-along mower because we don't know what is in the yard that will kind of fly up for debris and injure those children. Another thing is before you even start mowing, you should kind of walk the lawn. So if any mulch has come up from those flower beds into the yard, put back in, or move any kind of toys or bigger rocks that you see in the lawn before you start mowing to kind of prevent any pick-me-up from that lawnmower. The other thing is we would really like for you to take your mower out of the garage to refuel it with gas and to change the oil if needed. And then another thing is we usually will say we want those blades of the mower to be completely stopped before you put your hands near the bottom of it to unclog any debris that's kind of gotten under there. If you have any other questions, please feel free to call our office or ask us at your next appointment. Thanks.